On this episode, we're going to be reviewing tools that will help you around the home and help you out as a DIYer. So make sure you stay tuned. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews, just like we're going to be doing again today's video in this channel. Let's start with tool number one. It's this Fantic cordless screwdriver. I really love the packaging. It's made out of aluminum. Just pop it out. So it has torque setting. This won't be a heavy duty tool, but I want to review how much torque each one can take. Level 1, 2, 3 torque. Level 1, it lights up on the front like that. Reverse as well, each direction that you need. It's also a rechargeable tool. So take your USB-C. So it's charging right now. Case is made out of aluminum. It's because all the accessories are out here. So you just pull it out and it comes with all these different bits. You got various types. Pretty cool about this, friends, is look, it's what's holding this is magnets. Snaps in, 2-inch screw. Torque setting number 1. Okay, that's it. Torque setting number 2. Keep pushing the down. That's not bad. Okay, so this is kind of unfair. I kept pressing the button on this one. Let's continue pressing the button on this. So let's switch back to torque setting number 1. That's about it where it maxes out. Let's get to torque number 3. Whoa, I don't know if I hit a knot or not, but torque number 3 stopped right there. Looks like there was a knot there. Let's move it and give torque number 3 another shot. Come on, will it make it all the way through? That's about how far it maxed out. So I think this tool will be best if you're assembling furniture or just doing like home stuff, like you're screwing something on your drywall or whatnot. But for heavy duty construction, I don't think you want to pull this out. You want to pull out the DeWalt's or the big impact drivers, whatnot. But this would be best if you're just working around the house. Torque number 1, we got as far as 1 inch. Torque number 2, close to 3/4. Lastly, around 1/8. So again, friends, this is the portable cordless screwdriver kit by Fantic. In my honest opinion, I really like it. Giving it about a B+ because this is very useful when you're doing a lot of stuff around the home. Maybe you're hanging up a picture frame. It has enough torque to do that, to screw through drywall, assembling cabinetry, or you're just assembling furniture, whatnot. This is nothing compared to this. But if you're just a DIYer, if you're doing stuff around the home, you don't want to bust out the big heavy tool, I think this would be the best option for that. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. What are your opinions on this? Have you tried this tool for yourself, and do you own one, and what do you think about it? Share with the community in the description down below. That being said, let's get to the next tool. Sorry to interrupt, friends, but if you're finding this video super helpful so far, please kindly hit that like and subscribe button. It will greatly help out the channel. That being said, let's get back to the video. This next tool that I want to review is this portable fan. It has so many functions and it's going to come in handy whenever you're working in different situations. So let's go and take a review and see how it works. So currently right now it is charging. It's at 89%. So let me take out the charger. I was using it earlier. You have the charging area, and now you have an area where you can go and plug in to get some juice. You got the light, the fan, and at the same time you can charge whatever device you need to charge. This fan does come with a remote control. Let's go on first mode, second mode, and the brightest. At the same time, let's turn on the fan. So let me turn down the light right there. The fan does have 5 levels. That's the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. The fifth mode is already very, very strong. You can go make it turn as well. That's pretty cool. Once you do turn off the fan, it goes back into neutral mode. So a sleep mode and a timer mode just have a handle for easy carrying. Another option where there is a hook at the bottom and it rotates. You can hang it up above. So now you can position the fan, can rotate at the same time. Obviously all the pros I've shown you, including all the handles from top to bottom, The touchscreen feature is rechargeable, and you can also use it as a charging station at the back. Now let's get to the con. So there's a specific angle that you have to be at in order for the remote to work. You know, that's nothing major. You can just go directly to it and just move around. I use it whenever I'm working underneath the car when it gets hot and it's very dark under there where you gotta have to use the light. So this is perfect because you have the light and the fan combo. Keeps you cool, and it makes you see all what's underneath there whenever you're doing, for example, an oil change or just trying to fix a flat tire or change your rotors or brakes. I give it a B+. If you're interested on this specific one, I'll leave the link on the description down below. Let's get to the next tool. This last tool I'm going to show you, I think it's an essential and must-have tool, especially if you have floors in your home, and this is the FCHO floor gap fixer tool. But if you've been watching my past videos, I made a specific video on this 2 years ago on how to fix a floor gap, and I used the same exact tool. Just to recap, if you're interested on the full video on how to fix floor gaps, check out this video right here. I made a video on that already. Here's an example where there's a floor gap right between my vinyl plank flooring. I get a toothpick or something that's not gonna scratch up your floor. That's why I like to use toothpicks, because it's wooden, and you just want to pick out all the different debris and dust that's accumulated there over time. Take any type of vacuum, use a wet rag. Make sure that the surface that you're going to place the suction cup on is nice and clean, and that the floor is not scratched up. Any major dents on the floor or any major scratches, the suction cup might not be able to handle it. Make sure that your suction cup is nice and clean. Place it on the floor, and it's as easy as just pushing down the lever, taking your mallet and hammering it to close. Do that again. You got a gap, take your mallet and just close it up just like that. Take out the suction and move along to the next gap. Now I know you're going to have a gap on the next side. If this is the end piece just like this one, then there shouldn't be any issues. But if you have multiple pieces, what you're going to do is you're going to start where the gap starts first, hammer that in, move to the next piece behind it, and then start hammering that until you get to the very end of the plank. If you do have a major gap like this, you have a solution, whether you can use shoe molding, quarter round, or caulking it. So you have many options of doing that. Or if it's a major gap like a ½ inch to an inch, if you have the same material of this flooring that you have, cut out that piece and wedge it right there to close it up. Again, if you're interested on those things, I have many flooring videos to show you how to fix gaps. So check out my playlist on how to fix floor gaps. Okay, friends? If you want to be able to close this up and the gap will not appear again, put CA glue or super glue, just a thin amount, not too much, because once you close it in, if you put too much, it will squeeze out of there and ruin your floor. So just use a minimal amount, tap it in, let it set, and it should be good to go. Okay, friends, if you have any flooring questions or any concerns about that, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Okay, friends, they come in different colors. This model specifically has a very high rating on Amazon. I'll leave that link right down below. Check it out for yourself. Let me know in the comment section down below which tool is your favorite, which one have you tried, which one do you own. Leave it in the comment section down below. What are your experiences on each tool, whether it's a recommendable tool, would you recommend this to the community? And also, friends, if you have any tools that you have in mind that you want me to review in a future video, please leave it in the comment section down below and discuss it with the group. Also, if you're interested on any of the tools that I discussed on today's video, I'll leave all those links on the description down below. So again, friends, if you found this video helpful, again, please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next tool review cool tools video.